Given that y equals minus x squared plus 4x minus 6, find dy dx from first principles and differentiate 5x to the 4/3 minus 9 over root x with respect to x. So here's the question then that I've got. It's in summary form. So dy dx then is equal to the limit of delta y delta x as delta x tends to 0, which is equal to the limit as delta x tends to 0. Now delta y will be y plus delta y minus y over delta x, isn't it? And that's equal to the limit as delta x tends to 0. Y plus delta y then, put in the x plus delta x here, minus x plus delta x minus this value squared plus 4 times the x plus the delta x minus 6. So there's the y plus delta y value here, minus the y value, so it's minus the minus x squared plus 4x minus 6 all over delta x. So that's equal to then the limit of delta x as it tends to 0. Here we've got minus x squared when we expand the bracket, minus 2x delta x, the middle terms, two of them, with the minus, and then minus the delta x squared, plus 4 delta x, 4x rather, plus 4 delta x, minus 6, and then it's minus minus is plus x squared. I'm going to squeeze it in here, minus 4x, and then it's minus minus 6 is plus 6. All divided by delta x. And so what have we got then? Let's have a look. So this is equal to lim of delta x as it tends to 0. And on the top we've got a minus x squared and a plus x squared, so they can go. We've got a plus 4x and a minus 4x, and we've got a minus 6 and a plus 6. So we're simply left with minus 2x delta x here, minus a delta x squared here, plus a 4 delta x. Delta x there all over delta x. There's a delta x common on the top, so we can divide top and bottom by delta x. So let's do that then. It would just leave the minus 2x minus a delta x plus a 4. So all we did was we took out a delta x from the top, common, here it is here in our mind's eye, and we divided it with the delta x underneath, and we had this limit. Now it's a simple limit, and the answer will be delta x tends to 0, this will tend to 0, we'll just be left with minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so that's what we get there, and that's what we expected, didn't we? Minus 2x plus 4 when we differentiate. Now differentiate part B. So it's 5x to the 4/3 minus 9 over root x. Minus 9 over root x is x to the power half, so I'm going to bring that up to the top and flip the index to minus a half. Here, dy dx then, just differentiating. 4/3 comes down to be with the 5 to make 20/3. X to the 1 less than 4/3 is 1/3. The minus a half comes down to be with the minus 9 to make plus 9 over 2. X to the 1 less is minus 3 over 2. So there's dy dx.